If you're running a business in Australia, one of the best time savers is linking your bank feeds directly into your accounting software. So whether you're with Commbank or NAB, setting up a live feed literally means your transactions flowing automatically. No more downloading and uploading CSV files every week. So in this video, we're going to go through how it works. So most accounting platforms like Xero, MYOB, QuickBooks Online have a section in the banking dashboard where you can connect an account. So when you choose Commbank or NAB, the system will guide you through a secure login. You then have to confirm which accounts you want linked, and once authorized, the feed starts pulling transactions daily. Now, I want to give you a couple of tips to make sure it all goes smoothly. So first, make sure you're the primary account holder, or at least have the right online banking access. Without that, you won't be able to set up the feed. Second, check whether the bank requires you to approve the feed request. So for example, Commbank might send the confirmation inside NetBank or Commbiz, and NAB sometimes asks you to authorize through internet banking. And the third tip, once the feed is active, simply reconcile your first batch of transactions carefully. That way you catch any duplicates or missing data early on. From then on, everything's gonna be automatic. Transactions just appear in your software, ready for coding, matching to invoices, or reconciling against expenses. It's one of those set it and forget it features. But it also makes your quick booking so much faster and cleaner. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, and drop a comment on which topic you want me to cover next. Anyways, stay safe.